I saw a deer on the way to work today. Isn't that cool?
That's so cool.
Yeah, I never see deer in the city.
How did you know it was on its way to work?
What?
Was it carrying a briefcase?
No, I was on the way to
Was
work.
it driving its own car to go to work? Did it pull in the parking lot behind you? Do y'all work at the same company?
Are you not listening?
Is the deer your boss?
It's a deer. I was on the way to work and spotted it out.
He makes $100K a year, doesn't he? 6 figures.
What?
So you're jealous of him.
What? No,
That's your
I'm
that's
driving.
your that's your
no.
superior that you
Well,
just saw
I'm
at
on the
work.
way to work.
And you saw him. And he's also on his way to work.
No.
He probably does a better job at work than you.
What? No, deers don't work. You take the fun out of everything.
Well, why didn't you just say you saw a deer on the side of the road?